1.5 म्हयनो विद्यार्थ्यां बगर शाळा सामसूम आशिल्ल्यो, पूण सोमारच्यान ह्या गजबजाक परत सुरवात जाली. नवो गणवेश, पुस्तकां, सगळें साहित्य घेवन विद्यार्थी मोठ्या उमेदीन शाळेची पायरी चडले. फाटलो 1.5 म्हयनो बंद आशिल्ले बालरथय सोमारा परत रस्त्यार धांवपाक लागल्यात.
How was your first day of the school?
Nice.
Nice means what you did?
I studied, played and enjoyed.
Okay. What about your friends? You met your old friends, new friends,
Old friends and
new also friends. Okay. How you enjoyed your summer vacation?
good.
Good. What you did for holidays?
Played and watched TV.
The students were very happy to come back to school, and being the first day, they were eager to see their classrooms, and I could see the excitement on their faces because they were in a new class. And we had a very meaningful prayer service conducted by the cabinet members, and since our project is going on, I could give them some instructions after the prayer service about using the classrooms and other rooms.
I am studying in Standard 8, Division B. Today's day was quite nice. The teacher told us all many things about how to behave and how to maintain cleanliness in your class. They also they're going to elect tomorrow monitors so that to keep the class clean and to keep our environment clean, so that we do not waste time in talking and we study and work hard.
It was the first day of this new academic year, and the attendance was very good, like almost 10% attendance. We had a short morning assembly, prayerful assembly with a lot of reflections, and then the students interact.
दवरची तशेंच वेळोवेळ सगळे अहवाल खात्याक धाडचे अशी सुचोवणी शिक्षण खात्यान राज्यांतल्या सगळ्या प्राथमीक विद्यालयांनी आनी स्कुलांनी धाडल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर गौतम शिरोडकार आनी जोझफ फेर्नांडीस.